Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Urbansync Portable Steam Sauna, 3L, 1200 watt steamer, remote control, folding chair. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: ample leg space and quick heating. Sauna dimensions: 31-inch, wide, x 31-inch, depth, x 71-inch, high. The portable sauna is suitable for people with a height of 60 to 75, allowing you to comfortably sit on the chair and stretch your legs. The 1200 watt 360 degrees steam generator fills the entire sauna in 9 minutes. It has 1 to 15 temperature control levels, reaching up to 130 degrees Fahrenheit. High quality 600D canvas sauna tent. Urbansync Home Portable Sauna is made of high-quality 600D canvas insulation material, preventing heat loss. The 304 stainless steel steam generator is resistant to high temperatures and corrosion, and the bottom heat seal prevents leakage. The 3L capacity steam generator can be used for 99 minutes after adding water. User-friendly design. Whether it's the intuitive operation of the steam generator panel or the easy control of the remote control, perfect temperature and time settings are within reach. It also features a home sauna-grade dry burn and leak-proof design, ensuring your every sauna journey is safe and secure. Convenient new lifestyle experience. The storage pocket cleverly integrates into the sauna tent, allowing easy and orderly storage of small items such as mobile phones and keys. The transparent zipper window design ensures privacy while allowing easy ventilation when needed, allowing you to breathe freely in the steam cloud. The two-way smooth zipper allows for easy entry and exit. Portable and time-saving. You can move the sauna tent to your room, living room, bathroom, or any other place for use. If you need to take the steam tent to a farther location, it can also be folded for easy carrying. With this portable sauna, you can steam sauna at home anytime, anywhere, saving time compared to going to a steam room. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.